Okay, so good morning, grade 9. Today I am going to demonstrate on how to do your performance for the week 3. This goes for the modular and the online students. So for week 3 there will only be one performance. So what is this performance? So your performance will be all about applying 5 commands in the font group and 5 commands in the paragraph group. So before you start the performance, I recommend and I suggest that you read your module first. Okay? So this video will be your guide for your performance in the week 3 ICF, and then the output for this should be a PowerPoint presentation. Okay, so for your week 3 performance, the title for your performance is Students Profiling. So, what are you going to do with the students profiling? So, what are the instructions? Number one, you have to apply 5 commands in the font group here. You can apply any 5 commands from here and any 5 commands from the paragraph group. So there will be 10 commands, 5 from commands coming from the font group and 5 commands coming from the paragraph group. Now, how do we do the students profiling? First, you have to open um, new PowerPoint presentation, click Control N, and then you put designs on it. Okay, you will have to put designs on it so that it will be presentable and it will be attractive. So you can choose the color if you want. Okay, and then right there, students profiling. Actually, you can use this template. I will upload this one on your drive, and then you start with by clicking enter to add a new blank presentation, or you can go to home and then click new slide. So first, let's go to, you have to put a picture on the presentation. So there should be 5 students in your presentation. So ma'am, is it okay that we use celebrity photo or um, other photos? Uh, yes, you can use celebrity photos, Hollywood photos, as long as it is wholesome. But I will not allow you to use anime photos. So you can use your classmate's photo or a celebrity photo that you want. Okay. So all you need to do is you have to put a picture on it and you write there basic information, then apply any 5 commands from the font group and 5 commands from the paragraph group. Okay, so let's try. For example, I will just copy this one. Okay, copy that one. Okay, so I will apply a font color on it. So the font color will be yellow. Then I will apply bullets on it. Okay, and then shadow, and then apply bold, and then you can put the name on the top. Okay, then put a shadow on it. Apply font color. White is good. And then apply font style. You can apply font size, and then you can apply underline or italicize. Then you can also apply the spacing for that one. You can have very tight, very loose, or very loose. Okay, and then you can apply also the change case. Okay, you can have capitalize each word, and then you have to insert the picture. Go to downloads, for example, that one, and then you have to arrange that one. If you are sure that you already applied um, all of the commands, for example, I already applied 5 commands from the font group and 5 commands from the paragraph group, then you may now go to the last part and then write there font commands. Right there, the commands that we have utilized in the presentation. For example, here I utilize these commands from the font group, and I also utilize these commands in the paragraph group. Right there, paragraph commands, and then go to your module and then find the definition of each commands. So for example, we have to go to the module, go to bullets, and then copy, and then paste that one so you can put the definition on it. Numbering. So I'm using right now the Alt tab so that I could paste the definition as fast as I can. Go to left alignment or align left. Okay. And then go to text direction, copy and paste, Control C and Control V. I also use the columns on it. So it's up to you if what are the commands that you are going to utilize, as long as the commands are applied in the presentation. Go to the font group and then copy the definition for the bold command. Go to shadow, copy as fast as you can. So I think we will be using at least 8 slides, 8 to 9 slides, or maximum of 10 slides. So that is very easy and very convenient for you guys. So gituyo ni ma'am ha nga usara ka performance so that you will not be bombarded with all the performances that you have in your the other subjects. So next is font color. Okay, change the text of the color. And next is the font style, which changes the font face and the style of your words. Okay. Okay, and if you're done with that, let's change the picture first. And if you're done with the performance, you can save. You can save your performance at the folder for Google Drive. Okay, so I already sent the sticky note on your GC, so you have to follow that one and you have to follow this video for your performance. So if may mga na ma'am, can I have the screen recording na lang for the performance? Yes, you may have the screen recording, but I suggest nga ang akong i-output ninyo is kanina lang nga kanina lang siyang PowerPoint presentation. Kay number one, mas gaan siya inig-upload sa Google Drive. Number two, easy siya compared sa screen recording and taking a video of your performance. So, makita naman ako yung performance na. If you're done with that, you have the font commands here. Make sure the font size is big enough so that I can read it well, and your Viewers can also read it well. Okay, and then you can use the Control E for the center. And then if you're done, if you're finished with that, you can go to File. You can click Save As, go to Browse, and then make sure you're gonna find your documents easily. Okay, students profiling. And then you have to upload that one on your folder on the Google Drive. And for this output, I will upload this one to the instructional materials, and I'll provide the link on your group chat. So thank you and God bless grade 9.